What's the meaning of Annie, get your gun? Annie, get your gun. Annie, get your gun. Annie, get your gun. Annie, get your gun. Annie, get your gun.
Annie, get your gun is a phrase that originated in the American Old West, specifically during times of conflict between Native American tribes and white settlers. The phrase is believed to have been used by military commanders to encourage their troops to keep their weapons at the ready, with the implication that they might soon be engaged in battle. Today, the phrase has taken on a broader meaning, often used as a way to urge someone to be prepared and vigilant in the face of potential challenges.